I'll show you the easiest way to get AWS credentials. Whether you're a developer, a system administrator, or just diving into cloud computing for the first time, accessing your AWS credentials is a crucial step. These credentials are what allow you to safely and securely interact with AWS services, so let's make sure you know exactly how to get them. First, you need to navigate to the IAM dashboard. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, and it's where you manage access to AWS resources. Once you're there, look for the Users section. This is where you'll find all the user profiles associated with your AWS account. Next, click on the specific username for the profile you need credentials for. It's important to select the correct profile, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or permissions. This user-specific view will allow you to handle the security credentials properly. Once you've selected the user, you'll be directed to the User's Management workspace. Now, focus on the Security Credentials tab. This tab is key because it holds all the information you need to manage the access and permissions for that user. Scroll down a bit until you reach the Access Keys section. This is where you can view, create, and manage the access keys for your selected user. An access key is a pair of security credentials consisting of an access key ID and a secret access key. These keys are similar to a username and password and are used to sign programmatic requests to the AWS CLI or AWS API. Now on the right side, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Create Access Key. Go ahead and click that. This will initiate the process of generating a new access key. Remember, it's essential to treat these keys like passwords. They provide programmatic access to your AWS account, so keep them secure and avoid sharing them unnecessarily. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to get your AWS credentials. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, but always handle these credentials with care. For added security, consider regularly rotating your access keys and removing keys that are no longer in use. This helps to maintain the security and integrity of your AWS environment. If you're ever unsure about the permissions associated with a user, take some time to review the policies attached to their profile. IAM policies define permissions and are an essential part of AWS security. This understanding will empower you to better manage who has access to what within your AWS account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate the world of AWS credentials with ease. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on AWS and other tech topics.